God's plan isn't just to fix the old, it's to create something entirely new. A new heaven and a new earth, where righteousness dwells. In this restored world, there will be no more pain, no more suffering, no more tears, only joy, peace, and the fullness of God's presence. This is not just a ethereal concept. This is a promise that God will keep. Our future hope. Restoration is about more than just a future event. It's about a present reality. Through the Holy Spirit, God is already working to restore us, to heal our brokenness, and to transform us into His likeness. We are called to be agents of restoration in the world, to bring hope and healing to those around us. Example: imagine a child building a tower of blocks.